I'm Roger Singleton. I'm CEO of Riskoa Limited. Our flagship product, Innovate, automates something known as life cycle assessments, which is the gold standard for how you estimate emissions in products, what's known as product carbon footprinting. What Innovate does is makes it much faster and easier to look at the embodied emissions. It can highlight hotspots, especially in the manufacturing part, so it allows you to take actions accordingly. Being part of the program has been great. Big part of it for me was learning that framework and that tool set and the knowledge I needed to go and get investment. From a technology point of view, it's very useful because people like Digital Catapult are always that slight bit ahead. It's an incredibly strong network and knowledge base, and that's how you can maximize the benefit and impact of engaging in collaboration with Digital Catapult.